Hello students, today we are going to start the exercise 2.2 on page number 28. Before starting the exercise 2.2, I will explain you the section 2.3 which is on the page number 24, which is important for the exercise 2.2, that's why. Okay, section 2.2, some application. We begin with a simple example. Okay, here one example is given. Example is sum of two number is 74. Sum means if we add any two numbers, we get their sum as 74. There are many numbers whose sum is 74. For example, 70 plus 4, 71 plus 3, 60 plus 14. There are many numbers. When we add them, we get their sum as 74. But we have to find any two number whose sum is 74. One is the number is 10 more than the other. In comparing to two numbers, if we compare two numbers, so one number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? So what are the numbers we have to find? If one is 10 more than the other, 10 more means 10 numbers में ज़्यादा है. This word problem is like a puzzle. We don't know either of the two numbers. Okay, neither the first nor the second one, and we have to find them. Okay, we are given two conditions. One number is 10 more than the other, and this is the second condition, and first condition is their sum is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other, and second condition is their sum is 74. Okay, if smaller number is taken to be x. Okay, in this case, in this word problem, puzzle like word problems, we let a number. Okay, so here we let a smaller number be x, any variable. The larger number is 10 more than x. Then the larger number is 10 more than the x. 10 more, so we have to add. Okay, if for example, if you have two chocolates and I give you 3 more, then what is the total number of chocolates do you have now? 5, means 2 plus 3, 5. Same here, the smaller number is x and the larger number is 10 more than the smaller number which is x. So that is x plus 10. The other condition says that their sum of the two number is 74. So sum means we have to add, and we have to add the two numbers. One smaller number is x and the larger number is x plus 10. So x plus 10 equals 74. Here we first open the bracket. So x plus 10. So x and x are two like terms because the variables are common and their power are also equal. So x plus x, 2x plus 10 equals 74. Now we have to find the value of x. Just we have to do these types of questions in exercise 2.1. So 2x equal 74, transfers plus 10, so two RHS sides, so plus 10 becomes minus 10. So 74 minus 10. 74 minus 10 is 64. Now we will transfer 2. 2 is in the product form with the variable x. So the transformation of 2 is 64 upon 2, and 64 upon 2 is 32. So the smaller number is 32. Okay, because we let the smaller number x. The smaller number is 32 and the larger number is x plus 10. So x plus 10, 32 plus 10 equal 42. So the desired number, the numbers which we want are 32 and 42, and their sum is 74. Okay, so अब वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स जो हम एक्सरसाइज 2.2 में सॉल्व करेंगे उसमें यहाँ भी मोर है. ओके, द वर्ड मोर, तो वी हैव टू ऐड. लेस क्लियर सब्ट्रैक्ट. एक्सीड, समटाइम्स इन प्लेस ऑफ मोर देयर इज एक्सीड भी आता है. एक्सीड मीन्स ऑल्सो मोर. टाइम्स मीन्स वी हैव टू डू प्रोडक्ट. Okay, now let's see the exercise 2.2. First question. Now the exercise 2.2, question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Here we have to find a number फ्रॉम विच इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 1/2, एक नंबर फाइंड करना है जिसमें से अगर हम 1/2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं मीन्स माइनस करते हैं, जब माइनस करने के बाद जो हमको नंबर मिलेगा उसको हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दे 1/2 से, तो हमको उसका जो रिजल्ट टोटल ये ऑपरेशंस करने के बाद मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ये सब करने के बाद हमको उसका रिजल्ट मिलेगा 1/8. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट नंबर, मीन्स वो नंबर हमें फाइंड करना है एंड नंबर इज़ नॉट गिवन. So we here we let the number be x. If we subtract 1/2 from x and multiply that result by 1/2, we get 8. So let's see the solution of question number 1. Okay, let the required number be x. Because we don't know the which number is that, so that's why first we'll let a variable, any variable x, y, z, but here we use the variable x. So let the required number be x. Now according to the question, in question it is given if you subtract 1/2 from a number and our number is x. So subtract 1/2 from a number. Okay, subtract means minus, and multiply the result by 1/2. Okay, ये subtraction हो गया. अब जो ये result है उसको कैसे multiply करना है? by 1/2. You get 1/8. तो हमको क्या मिल जाएगा? 1/8. Now we get a equation. We have to solve it. So first we'll transfer 1/2 to right hand side, means RHS side. So x minus 1/2 equal 1/8. 1/2 is in the product form, so the transformation of 1/2 is 1/8 upon 1/2 upon 1/2. बट अब हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? यहाँ पर आपको एग्जाम्पल, इफ a अपॉन b अपॉन c अपॉन d, अगर इस टाइप से, क्योंकि देखो a के प्लेस पे 1, b के प्लेस पे 8, c 1 एंड d 2. सो क्या करना है? a अपॉन b, ये डिवाइड का फ्रैक्शन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में आ जाएगा एंड c अपॉन d बिकम्स d अपॉन c. ओके, a upon b as it is and the fraction which is in the denominator of ab becomes in the product of d upon c. So x minus 1/2 equal 1/8, the product d upon c, d is 2 and c is 1, so 2 upon 1. Now we'll product them. 2 into 1 or 1 into 2, 2, 8 into 1, 8. Now cancel 8 by 2 4 times. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So we get 1/4. So x minus 1/2 equal 1/4. Okay, x minus 1/2 equal 1/4. Now we have to find the value of x. So we will transfer minus 1/2 to right hand side. So x equal 1/4 minus 1/2 becomes plus 1/2. Okay, these are the fractions 1/4 plus 1/2. So here first we are taking their LCM, and LCM of 4 and 2 is, let's see, 4 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it. So LCM of 4 2 is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Okay, so 4 है, ये डिनोमिनेटर में हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें? हमें 4 मिलेगा विच इज़ 1. सो मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर बोथ बाय 1. नाउ इन दिस डिनोमिनेटर 2 हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो प्रोडक्ट 4 मिलेगा 2. सो मल्टीप्लाई 1 and 2 both by 2. So 1 into 2 2 and 2 into 2 4. So ये हमको मिल गया 4. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 2. So 1 plus 2 which is 3/4. So required number is 3/4. Thus, therefore, the required number is 3/4. तो जो हमको नंबर चाहिए था, जिस इसमें से हम अगर -1 3/4 में से 1/2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे और जो रिजल्ट मिले उसमें 1/2 इंटू कर दे तो हमको मिल जाएगा 1/8. सो द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इज 3/4. ओके, लेट्स सी योर solution. Okay, here first we let the required number x, then according to question we arrange the equation, subtract a number 1/2 from a number, we let it x, so x minus 1/2, and multiply it by 1/2, we get 1/8. Here first we transfer 1/2 प्रोडक्ट में था तो वो आ जाएगा डिवाइड में, और डिवाइड आता है तो a/b/c/d, तो हो जाता है a/b इंटू d/c, ये इन्वर्स हो जाता है. सो 1/8 इंटू 2/1, 1 इंटू 2 2, 8 इंटू 1 8, 8 कैंसिल द 8 by 2 4 times. So x minus 1/2 equal 1/4. Now transfer -1/2 to RHS. So negative 1/2 becomes positive 1/2. Now take the LCM. Here we take the LCM, and LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 में क्या प्रोडक्ट कर दिया तो हमें 4 मिलेगा, ओनली 1. सो 1 and 1 से हमने न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया. व्हाट विल मल्टीप्लाई इनटू टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट 4? इट इज 2. सो मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाय 2. सो 1 इंटू 1 1, and 1 into 2 2, and 4 into 1 4, 2 into 2 4, which is our LCM. So LCM को एक ही बार लिखते हैं, 2 बार नहीं. So 1 plus 2 3 and 4 as it is. So this is the value required number of x, or required number which is 3/4. Okay.